Like, this just doesn't make any sense. Oh, this doesn't make any sense in the world. So, one of the main reasons why I have not vlogged in a long time is because of one, editing. Two, my house is a mess. Like, it was just clean like 3 weeks ago. Now, it looks like a tornado has hit it. And so, I'm at the point where I need to clean my house. And so, I feel like you're just about to come along for the ride. Let's get up. Let's get up. Oh, goodness, let's get up. You ever just feel like not getting up? That's what I'm feeling right now. The struggle is real. See, this is what I'm talking about. I asked my daughter to fold clothes, and this is my floor. But I haven't even got on her to clean it up. That's the problem. Have you ever woke up and there's so much going on? I actually woke up to this real deep dream, and I actually had to write about it in my dream journal. I have a prophetic journal. Let me show you. Hold on. Alright, so this is my prophetic journal. I actually wrote this journal, but in the journal you can write out your dreams. This is how long my dream was last night. That's how many details I could actually remember. So I woke up in a really crazy headspace. And I've just been in this place where it's so much is going on. And so today is my first Saturday where I have nothing to do. So I need to get this house clean. Do y'all get frustrated when your house starts to look a mess? I can't function, I can't think. It just, and I'm not the cleanest, right? It ain't gotta be super clean. But it's ridiculous. It's utterly ridiculous. So I'm at that phase, but I also want to put up the Christmas tree. And I have work to do. I have to do this proposal for a school. I'm actually started business consulting, so consulting teachers and parents who want to start their own teacherpreneur career. So I have a client I need to check on, and then I'm thinking about doing something crazy and doing 40 days where I go and post every day, one reading tip, and so I kind of need to promote that. So I have to do that. So we will see if all of that gets done. Kendall, I need you to come put up these clothes that you folded. Kendall, come here. I need you to go put up all the clothes you folded and go put them up in the drawers, okay?
Okay.
So you might be wondering, why in the world do you have an air mattress in the middle of your bedroom? Simply put, my baby does not want to sleep in the bedroom by herself. And so, let me know down below in the chat box if your children are the same way. So, since she doesn't like sleeping in her room, we've had her sleep in here for like 2 months. But today, I already told her the air mattress is coming down. This is really awkward. Get this stuff up
For the kids.
because you also got to put up the big Christmas tree.
Wait, I'm going to do the place like that.
Why is it so complicated? It's like the air is not coming out. Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go. Whew. This was a whole workout. Now, gotta get these Christmas trees done.
Hi friends, my name is Kendall and this tree is amazing. We got some flowers, a star, and all decorations. And family pictures, if you notice. And if you notice this, we got a little Santa. This Santa can climb up to right here, and it can climb all the way down to right Here.
Whew, okay, I am ready to call it a night. I'm just tired, and Kendall, I did not accomplish my entire goal. So we're gonna have to do a part 2 because I actually have to still pack up the Read by Design boxes. I have to work, but I did clean up the whole upstairs and the tree is up. So now I'm like, it's 7 o'clock and I am ready to lay it down and just chill. Until then, y'all look at this. This is the kind of mood I'm on this year. I told her to get the box with all the like decorative stuff in it. Just start putting them around the house. Let me move this box so y'all can see. She started to put it on our bookshelf that we normally put all of our stuff on. And I told her, just do whatever makes you happy, boo. Do you, boo? She's done such a great job so far.
Yep.
Anything you want to say?
Yeah, have a good Christmas and Thanksgiving.
She's so cute. So we shall see what this will look like at the end. There's another Santa.
Another black Santa.
Oh, it's a black Santa. She said she was putting the Santas together. She said, I'm going to put the white Santa and the black Santa together so they can be friends. I said, yep.
Talk and work as a team.
So they can talk and work as a team. I said, that's what it's about. A community.
And look at me with my hat.
Hold on. They can't see it. Okay, there you go.
Do you think my hat looks cute? And a ding, 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 and a jingle, and a jingle. Merry Christmas and Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Christmas too.